Welcome to Forever Young Health, your trusted place to stay strong, healthy, and active as you age. Today, we're talking about something hiding right inside your freezer, foods that may be helping or hurting your heart. Millions of seniors eat frozen meals every day. Some are good, but others may silently damage your heart, raise your blood pressure, and increase your risk of stroke without you even knowing. In this video, we'll go over the 4 frozen foods you should avoid and the 4 frozen foods you should eat every day. Stick around because the number 1 worst frozen food could raise your risk of stroke by up to 78%. And almost no one is talking about it. Before we begin, tell us in the comments, how old are you and where are you watching from? We love reading your stories and connecting with you. Let's get started. Number 4, worst, breaded frozen fish fillets. Frozen fish may sound healthy, but not when it's breaded, fried, and frozen. These fillets are loaded with hydrogenated oils, white flour breading, 500 plus milligrams sodium per piece. These raise blood pressure, stiffen arteries, and increase your risk of stroke. Plus, during factory processing, they form harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products. These damage blood vessels and may lead to irregular heartbeat. Instead, choose plain frozen wild-caught fish. Bake or steam it with olive oil, lemon, and garlic for a heart-healthy meal. Number 3, worst, frozen pizza. Frozen pizza is a favorite for many seniors, but it's one of the worst foods for your heart. Over 1,200 milligrams of sodium per pizza. White flour crust, blood sugar spikes, processed cheese with emulsifiers, seed oils, and phosphates. Phosphates in the cheese can harden arteries and increase heart risks. Instead, make your own mini pizza at home using whole grain bread, fresh tomato paste, real mozzarella, and olive oil. Number 2, worst, frozen smoothie. Fruit packs. These packs may seem healthy, but they often contain high-sugar fruits like mango, banana, and pineapple. Little fiber or antioxidants left after long freezing. They cause sugar spikes, fatigue, and stress on blood vessels. Many seniors mix them with juice or sweetened milk, making the blood sugar surge worse. Instead, use frozen berries like blueberries and blackberries, which are lower in sugar and high in antioxidants. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. It does not replace professional medical advice. Please speak to your doctor before making any changes to your diet, especially if you have a medical condition or take medications. Number 1 worst, frozen breakfast sandwiches. These sandwiches may seem easy, but they're a triple threat. 800 to 1,300 milligrams of sodium before 9 a.m. Processed meats with nitrates, fake egg mix with additives, plus the muffin is made of refined white flour and inflammatory oils, leading to blood sugar crashes, fatigue, and even blurred vision. Regularly eating these may raise stroke risk, cause heart stiffness, and increase blood pressure. Now that we've seen the worst, let's look at the 4 frozen foods you should eat. Number 4, best, frozen spinach. Spinach is a quiet hero for the heart. When frozen fresh, it keeps its natural nitrates, which help open blood vessels and lower pressure. 1 serving a day can reduce systolic blood pressure by 11 points in a week. It's also packed with magnesium for steady heartbeat. Potassium flushes out sodium. Folate protects blood vessels. Add frozen spinach to omelets, soups, or smoothies. Number 3, best, frozen shelled edamame soybeans. These green soybeans are a top plant-based protein, great for seniors. They contain isoflavones, support blood vessels. Arginine helps make nitric oxide. Vitamin K2 moves calcium to bones, not arteries. They're also high in fiber, naturally low in salt. Good for digestion and gut health. Just steam, Sprinkle with olive oil and sea salt and enjoy as a snack or side dish. Number 2. Best frozen mixed berries, blueberries, blackberries. Berries are full of anthocyanins which reduce artery inflammation and lower bad cholesterol. They improve blood flow, support insulin balance, help prevent plaque in arteries. Frozen berries are often more nutritious than fresh because they're frozen right after harvest. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal daily for heart and brain health. Number 1. Best frozen unbreaded chicken wings, baked or air-fried. Yes, you heard that right. Plain frozen chicken wings can be great for seniors if you air fry or bake them, not deep fried. Avoid breaded or saucy types. They provide high-quality protein, fights muscle loss. Collagen supports joints and arteries. Zinc, selenium, and B6, good for heart, immunity, and nerves. A study found that seniors eating more poultry had 41% less risk of heart disease over 5 years. Just season them with heart-friendly spices like turmeric, garlic, and rosemary. And enjoy! So let's recap. Avoid these 4 frozen foods: breaded fish fillets, frozen pizzas, smoothie fruit packs with sugary fruits, frozen breakfast sandwiches. Eat more of these instead. Frozen spinach, frozen edamame, frozen berries, plain frozen chicken wings, air-fried or baked. Small changes make a big difference. Tell us in the comments, which frozen food are you tossing today? And which healthy one are you adding to your cart? And don't forget to mention where you're watching from. We love seeing how far our message spreads. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, you're not getting older, you're getting forever young.